So guys, in one go this question looks very easy, that square root of this minus 2, and then we have to multiply this with square root of minus 3. This question looks very easy, but you will not believe when this question appeared in exam, in JEE exam, IIT JEE exam. So that time many students, they did mistake. Many of you are engineers, many of you are about to become an engineer, many of you are in 10th class. Like, any age group can watch this video because the thumbnail is like that, and it is not that tough. So when you study function chapter for IIT JEE, that time if your teacher is teaching you all the domains properly, then only you will be able to crack this numerical. Otherwise, if you have not prepared well, there is chance that you may not be able to solve this numerical, or if you will try, there is chance you may get the wrong answer. So understand this. See here, under root a into under root b, this factor everyone knows, this is going to be under root of a into under root of b into under root of b. Based on this, many of you, 92%, many of you may think that if you apply this concept, and according to this concept, if you try to solve minus 2 into this minus 3, under root minus 2 under root minus 3, then you may think that it is coming as minus 2 into minus 3. But reality is not this. It will not come like that. First, you have to split this minus 2. So you may be knowing there is something called iota, right? This value is minus 1. I is equal to minus 1, under root minus 1, correct? So this minus root 2 you will break as minus 1 into under root 2, and in same way this part also you will break, this part, not this part, this part. So minus root 3 also will break as minus 1 into this thing. Okay, now understand, stay with me. This part and this part is nothing but I value, that is iota. Okay, so I root 2 into I root 3, now you have to multiply. So this I and I will give you I square, and then this will give you under root 6 into, okay, this I and this I you multiply together, you'll be getting I square, and this root 2 and root 3 will give you root 6, right? How? Because 2 into 3 I am doing, that's why root 6 is coming. So this I square is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 into root 6. Finally it comes as minus root 6. So this is your answer. Most of the students may do this as under root minus 6, right? They may think under root plus 6. They may think that they are going to multiply like this, minus root 2 and minus root 3. So they may be thinking that they are getting actually under root minus 6 or under root plus 6, or they may have confusion. So this is the right answer and this is the right approach. Actually, see, when I teach function to my IIT JEE syllabus, in my class, I explain all these things when I take function chapter. But of course, this much detail we don't go when we are preparing for GATE aerospace or some other GATE exams. And of course, when you will, if you are watching this video and you are preparing using my video and you are in 11th class and 12th class, then don't worry, all these function topics, important tips and tricks, I'll be explaining in the video. That's all. Thank you so much.